Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a Pine script into Tradingview so you can add custom indicators or strategies to your charts in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Pine editor. The first step is accessing the built-in coding environment where Tradingview allows you to input custom scripts. Look at the bottom panel of your Tradingview chart and click on the tab labeled Pine Editor. If the editor is empty, you're ready to go. If there's already code there, click Open in the editor's top right and select New Blank Indicator. In 2026, the Pine editor is the engine room for your charts. Opening a blank script ensures that you don't have any conflicting code from previous indicators, giving you a clean slate for your new script. Next, paste your code. Now that you have the editor open, you need to replace the default template with your specific Pine script. Highlight all the existing text in the editor and press Delete. Copy your desired Pine script from your source and paste it directly into the blank editor window. Precision is key here. In 2026, Pine script, version 6 or higher, is highly sensitive to formatting. By clearing the default version and indicator lines first, you ensure that your pasted code doesn't produce an already defined error when you try to run it. Lastly, save and add to chart. The final step is compiling the code so it actually appears on your visual price action. Click the Save button in the top right of the Pine editor and give your script a name. Once saved, click Add to Chart right next to it. Saving the script adds it to your My Scripts library in 2026, meaning you won't have to paste the code again next time you open a new chart. Clicking Add to Chart runs the script's logic against the current price data, instantly overlaying your custom technical analysis tool directly on your Tradingview workspace. And that's pretty much it. To insert a Pine script in 2026, open the Pine editor at the bottom of your chart, paste your custom code in a blank file, and click Save, followed by Add to Chart. Your custom technical analysis tool will then appear directly on your Tradingview workspace. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.